What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I wanted to tap in to close out the week. The week ended not up to my standard. Guys, I often talk about how Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standard. Friday, today, guys, definitely was not up to standard. With that being said, did you guys see the Trick, Trap, and Frustrate crew on today? If you have never seen it in person, today was a best example I could ever give you guys of the Trick, Trap, and Frustrate crew. Anybody watch DraftKings on today? All right. The move that it made at market open from $40 or $41 to $45, then back down to $43. That's the Trick, Trap, and Frustrate crew. That's why we talk about waiting the first 15 minutes to avoid the traps, to watch out for the things they're trying to get you guys to fall for. Okay, but nevertheless, man, regardless of that, okay, today just wasn't up to standard at all by my account and from what I expect of myself. Okay, and so with that being said, I'm gonna be looking to regroup this week. Again, I had a phenomenal Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, it was just today. But again, one day, although it's not the end all be all, what you want to strive for on your journey, guys, is a level of consistency across the board. I don't care even if it's just small wins, small victories, base hits for 5 straight days. You don't want to have the week I had where you was just dominant on Monday, dominant on Tuesday, dominant on Wednesday, okay on Thursday, and then, you know what I'm saying, shoot an air ball on Friday. Okay. Today, again, guys, is a day that helps you refocus. It brings things back into gear for yourself so that you can make sure that you keep it honest in this game. Okay. There will be days like this no matter who you are. So embrace that. Understand that comes to territory, okay? But I wanted to say major salute to those of you that did your thing this week, regardless. Whether you learned some lessons, whether you had to be flexible and nimble and make adjustments on the fly, because that's what a lot of times these things come down to. Being able to adjust, being able to make decisions in the nick of time, okay? This, like, as athletes, Mike can relate to this. We always talk about sports and football and things like that being a game of inches, and the market is too. And one reason we say that as it relates to the market is, like, for price action, for example. So like today, even though my DraftKings play didn't go good, I still got back in DraftKings just with some fresh new plays, okay, and still did my thing with them. But one particular play, I had a limit order to sell at 160, 161. But guys, it only came to 160 and then shot back in the other direction. And it's just, that was a reminder. It's a game of inches, okay? How do Wall Street market makers somehow find a way consistently to always come up one short of my exit price or my limit sell order, okay? And so it reminded me, okay, don't put your limit order out so far. Put it at a level that it actually can get hit, can get triggered, so that you can take profits, even if it's, so for example, each play, guys, I go every day. I have a $2,000 limit. That's my daily goal. So I trade usually one or two trades a day. I'll hit that. Okay, but then beyond that, I'm still trying to make $1,000 per trade. All right, but sometimes it's okay to just take 990, 900. Times I've tried to hold out for the full 1,000 at times. It might get to, say I was up 900 and then it turns back around and now I'm down 200 when I could have just took 900. I'm not ever mad at 900, but it's a game of inches. And this week, more than anything, was a reminder of that kind of stuff, okay, where you have to just take your wins. Take your wins. I always say, take the twos and fews, because the twos and fews add up. If you get 25 here, 50 here, 75 there, boom, before you know, you got 125. Okay, if you get 500 here, 300 there, 200 there, guys, that adds up towards your daily goal. All right. And so this week, I'm going to reflect. Okay, I definitely ain't going to let this marinate too long, but I'm definitely going to reflect. As I always tell you guys, I got notes on deck all day, every day of how my week was, how I crushed it on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and some of the things I did on Friday. Matter of fact, just so you guys know and for full transparency, 2 Fridays in a row, I'm starting to see a pattern. 2 Fridays in a row, this Friday and last Friday, 2 Fridays in a row, two of my losses were very, very similar. Very, very similar. So that lets me know, okay, I need to correct that. Not for, because I seem like I corrected for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, but then again, I let my guard down a little bit. I get a little comfortable. You start racking these wins up, guys, and then before you know it, you get a little comfortable. You stray a little bit further away from the basics. Okay, it's always important to stay anchored in this game. Okay, stay anchored to what got you there. Stay anchored to your trading plan. Stay anchored to your discipline. Trade the patterns. Look for high probability and high quality trade setup. So, for example, I got a text message today from one of the family members, and he knocked a play out the park because he saw the double top and the lower lows forming. And I just loved everything about that. I'll highlight it over the course of this weekend. This is just a quick live I try to jump on, okay? But my point is, it's remembering to take the high quality, high probability trade setups, like for versus what I did. So this morning the market was going crazy. I just jumped in the midst of the craziness. I didn't let a level get established. I didn't let a top form, or I didn't let a bottom form. So I'm already 0 for 3 in terms of things I don't do. Okay, but because I did that, now I was sitting having to like, man, I hope this play come down. Man, I'm gonna go work out real quick. Hopefully by the time I come back, this play would have hit. And nope. With my luck, no. Okay, it didn't hit. And so it made a 2 hour wait turn into a 4 hour wait. You know what I'm saying? And before I know it, the day just was going. And I'm looking like, man, I'm down $200. I'm down $200, but I should be out of this play altogether. I should have already took profit up $200 and should have already been done with this play. But again, when you get away from the basics, when you get away from your discipline, these are the kind of situations you find yourself in, okay? And so, again, guys, all in all, still overall good week, still overall good month. And so, again, I like to reflect, though, and I like to reflect with you guys because you all may be having similar experiences on your journey, too. And I just want you to know, even at the elite level, you just don't no longer be exempt from having a bad day in the market, a bad trade here or there. It still will happen. You still got to go to the drawing board, which is what I do every single day. I ground myself, I center myself every single day. Always being a student of this game, always sharpening my skills, always sharpening the knife, okay? Because it's about being surgical. So next week, guys, we will get back to it. We will be back in our bag first thing Monday morning. If you are ready to either make some money next week, or if you need to recoup some money that you might have lost this week, you need to make sure you're in the Discord and or consider joining the money team this particular week, okay? Listen, guys, again, take it all in stride. As I have to say, oftentimes, the experience you get in the game is your best teacher. Yeah, you have me to help coach and guide and walk alongside you, but nothing compares to the experience you get being in your own place, taking your own trades, taking your own profits, taking your own losses. That is the best teacher. As a self-taught trader, that was the thing that helped me the most. That and then tracking all of my results, okay? There ain't no trade that I can't tell you how did I hit it out the park. Or in the same breath, there's no trade that I can't tell you how did I lose. Okay, but the name of the game is to win more than you lose and make sure you keep your losses small, okay? And overall, that we did that, but I'm talking about the execution wasn't up to standard today. And so we gotta rectify that. We gotta modify that first thing Monday morning. So listen, guys, again, nice job this week. If you had some turbulence, if you had some bumps in the road like your boy did, please feel free to let me know down in the comments below. But more importantly, understand it come with the game. These are the things that make you better. And as I often say, get 1% better each and every day, okay? Take the good, take the bad. All of it is for your greater good, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.